Hi everyone, I'm Ovais Ilyas from Pakistan. Hope you people are fine and safe. So today I'm a part of great venture equipped with passion and a great experience for one mission, transforming our energies into taste with me. Project is driven with the two key insight. Here, cooking plays a very crucial role in Pakistani housewives' life, and to please their husband, they need more food videos all the time. And therefore, food is a crucial genre where all FMCG and food client always look for. So it's an interesting and viable territory where we have stepped in. Tastemate is an online food recipe creator. The recipes which are quick and affordable, so to ease out these housewives. And we are available on all key social platforms. You can see our secret sauce is a cohesive and strategic mindset and process. You can see this assembly line as how we come up to the insight driven smart solutions. There are two key players walking into the market professionally. There is no third one. There is no third one. And out of two, Food Fusion is working aggressively and professionally. So we see a huge gap in offering integrations to the brands. Market size is decent, almost 1 million US dollar was spent last year merely for online food integrations. We generate revenue from advertiser by offering an integration with 70% ROI of Tastemate. You can see our movement in numbers, 50,000 unique followers. We have served 9 leading brands in short span of time. We are chasing for higher growth, and with our right knowledge, every period is giving us a better results. And with our 200% hard work, day and night efforts, strategic mindset, we have worked for the leading clients of Pakistan in just 1 year's time. And you see these logos, sometimes we feel proud for that as well. And yes, not only we have met the break even, also we have generated US $12,500 as well. I'm the founder of Tastemate with 15 years of experience in media and marketing, handling leading clients in the biggest media agencies. So I deploy my whole experience into this. My wife's co-pillar, she helps us in the entire ecosystem. I have a team of 10 skilled members as well. So unlike others, for us, it's easier to create the right fit for the brand. So to continue this higher growth, we need a greater partnership to build an ecosystem for a greater consistency in our operation. And for that, we would want 40K US dollars. Let's enjoy the highly profitable venture. Thank you so much.